Welcome to Peaches and Cream, y'all. Today we're going to make buttercream. So this is an American style buttercream. It's really silky smooth and creamy, and it's so easy to make. So let's get started by combining in a large bowl 1/2 cup of soft butter and 1/2 cup of shortening. Then you're going to add 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. If you want, you can use all butter in this recipe rather than using part shortening. I use the shortening to create stability in the icing, especially because a lot of my cakes have to travel to the party site through varying temperatures and humidity. A tip to keep your confectioner's sugar from flying everywhere as you're mixing is to start your mixture on low and then gradually increase the speed as the confectioner's sugar is incorporated. The mixture will become really stiff, and then we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now this is the key ingredient. It's what makes this buttercream really delicious and really silky smooth. If you don't have heavy whipping cream, you can use whole milk, but I definitely would recommend the heavy whipping cream because the flavor and texture that it creates in this icing is absolutely wonderful. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract. I just left my buttercream plain because I like it that way. Add more or less heavy whipping cream depending on the consistency that you want your icing to be. For piping buttercream flowers or filling cakes, you'll want to use a stiffer consistency of icing, but for frosting the outside of a cake or piping letters, you'll want a softer consistency of icing. This icing is super easy to work with, and it freezes really well too. You can actually freeze it for up to 6 weeks. Just bring it to room temperature before you use it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.